Hello students, myself Prem Prakash Shukla. Welcome to my online class. I am your mathematics teacher from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today we will learn about the topic place value chart. Place value chart, which is taken from chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Yesterday we have studied about what is natural number, what is whole number, and what is face value and what is place value. So today's our topic is place value chart. How we can prepare place value chart in both system. First is our Indian place value system chart and another one is international place value system chart. So first of all we will learn about Indian place value chart. What is the Indian place value chart? I think you guys have already studied this in class 5 also. So now again this topic is given, so we will again revise it and we will make it more clear. So for that, you see the topic is written here, Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. So this is the Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart, there are the values. So this ones, thousand, lakh, crore. Up to crore we have to learn in this class. So the ones, thousands, lakhs and crores, these are called periods. These are called periods. And in ones period you see there is three places: ones place, tens place and hundreds place. In ones period we have three places: ones place, tens place and hundreds place. And in second period, which is thousands period, it has also two places, 1000 and 10,000. In the same way, in lakhs period also it has two places, lakh and 10 lakhs. And in the same way, in crores also it has two places, crore and 10 crores. So in this way, this is the periods in Indian place value system. And these are the places in Indian place value system. Now you see in ones place there is single digit, that's why it is written one digit. One digit number falls in ones place and two digit number falls in tens place, three digit number falls in hundreds place and four digit number falls in thousands place and 5-digit number falls in 10,000s place, 6-digit number falls in lakhs place and 7-digit number falls in 10 lakhs place and 8-digit number falls in crores place and 9-digit number falls in 10 crores place. So you see only one digit is given here, that's why it is one digit number. And you count 1, 2, two-digit number, 1, 2, 3, three-digit number. 100 has the value which is written in words. In 100, if we write it in number, we will get this number, that is 1, 2, three-digit number falls in hundreds place. The three-digit number has the highest place 100, and the four-digit number has the highest place 1000, and the five-digit number has the highest place 10,000. And the 6-digit number has the highest place lakh, and the 7-digit number has the highest place 10 lakh, and the 8-digit number has the highest place crore, and the 9-digit number has the highest place 10 crore. So in this way, this is your Indian place value system chart. In this way we can prepare Indian place value system chart. Now how to write a given number in this chart? Let's see how to write a given number in this chart. Let's see how to write a given number in this chart. how to write the given number in this chart. How to write the given number in this chart. Yes. How to write a given number in this chart. How to write a given number in this chart. So first of all, let's consider a number. Let's consider a number. For example, 983 70432. So this is a number given and we have to put it in Indian place value system chart. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to prepare this chart, and after preparing this chart, we have to start from ones place. The number which is at the extreme left, extreme right, this is 2, that is put 2 in ones place, then and go to the left side and 3, then put 3 and 4 and 0 and 7 and 3 and 8 and 9. So in this way we can put the values in the Indian place value chart numbers. Now what to do? Now you see. Now here you see. Yes. Now see. Now look here. This 2, the place of 2 is ones place, which falls in ones period. Ones period contains 3 places, that is ones, tens and 100. So the place of 2 is ones, that is why the place value. And here you see the place value. Here you see the place value. Thus the place value of 2 is 2 because it is in ones place, and in the same way the place value of 3 is in tens place, that is 3 multiplied by 10 equals to 30. So the place value of 3 is 30. In the same way, the third number is 4, which falls in hundreds place. So its place value is 4 multiplied by 100 equals to 400. And in thousand place, and 0 falls in thousand place. So 0 multiplied by 1000 equals to 0. So the place value of 0 in thousand place is 0. And in the same way, 7 falls in 10,000 place. So its place value is 7 multiplied by 10,000 equals to 70,000. And in the same way, 3 falls in lakhs place. So the place value of 3 is 3 multiplied by lakh equals to 3 lakh. So 3 lakh. And in the same way, 8 falls in 10 lakhs place. So the place value of 8 is 8 multiplied by 10 lakh equals to 80 lakh. And in the same way, 9 falls in crores place. That's why the place value of 9 is 9 multiplied by crore. 1 crore equals to 9 crore. So 9 crore. So in this way, these are the place value of the numbers. The place value of this given number. In this way, we can put a given number in Indian place value chart. In Indian, first we have to prepare this chart, and now put the number starting from ones place. The last number, the last digit starting from ones place, then move to the left side by putting one by one number in the columns. So in this way we can prepare Indian place value chart. Now, how to put comma in Indian place value system? So consider this number, just take this number. Now how to put comma? Now putting comma. Putting comma. Now putting comma, that is 983. First write the given number 70432. Now what we have to do? We have to group the numbers according to their periods. So here you see in one's period we have 3 digits 1, 2, 3, 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. Put comma in front of 3 digits from the ones place. Ones, tens, 100 here, and again another period is thousands period which has 2 places 1000, 10,000. Then put comma in front of 2 digits 1, 2, 2 digits, then again 2 digits. So the system of putting comma in Indian place value system is first start putting comma in front of 3 digits from the last numbers, that is ones, tens, 100, 3 digit number, then 2 digit in front of 2 digit number and 2 digit number. The pattern goes like first comma in front of 3 digit number, then 2 digit number, then again 2 digit number, then again 2 digit number. In this way it follows. So in this way we can put comma in Indian place value system. Now how to read the number or express the given number in words? Now how? So see here, you see now the given number is, now you count the number ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 9 falls in crore place. So the highest value of place value of 9 is 9 crore. So write 9 crore, 9 crore, 9 crores. Then 83 lakh, 83 lakhs, 83 lakhs, 83 lakhs, 9 crore 83 lakhs, 70,000, 432, 432. So in this way we can express the given number in words also in Indian place value system. So in words we can write in this way: 9 crores 83 lakhs, 9 crore 83 lakhs, 70,432. So in this way we can express this given numbers in Indian place value system. Now how to expand the given number? Now expanded form. How to expand? Expanded form. How to expand the given number? You see how to expand the given number. So you see the expanded form means it is the sum of the place value of the digits from highest place to lowest place. So sum of digits, that is 9 falls in crore place, that is 9 crore, 9 crore, put addition sign, 9 crore, then 8 falls in 10 lakhs place, that is 80 lakh, 80 lakh plus 80 lakh plus, now 3 falls in lakhs place, that is plus 3 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 7 falls in 10,000 place, that is 70,000 plus 0 falls in thousands place, that is equals to 0 plus 4 falls in hundreds place, that is 400 plus, and 3 falls in tens place, that is 30 plus, and 2 falls in ones place, that is 2. So in this way we can write the given numbers in expanded form also. So expanded form means writing the place value of the given numbers and putting plus sign. So putting plus and first side the place value of 9 is 9 crore, so 9 crore plus place value of 8 is 80 lakh, so and plus place value of 3 is lakh, that is 3 lakh, and place value of 7 is that is 70,000, 10,000, and place value of 1000 0 is 1000, that's why 0, and the place value of 4 is 100, the place value of 4 is 400, that is 400, and the place value of 3 is 30, that is 30, and the place value of 2 is 2. So in this way we can write the numbers in expanded form also. So in this way we can easily prepare Indian place value chart. In this way we can prepare Indian place value chart, and we can put the numbers in the columns, and we can easily write the place value of the numbers, and we can also express the given numbers in words also, and we can write the given numbers in expanded form also. So thank you for watching my online video. Thank you very much.